Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena. And as promised, I will be including a tutorial for finding the mean, median, and mode of a given data set. So for this lesson, we are going to make use of the application Excel for finding the mean, median, and mode. You can also use this for other applications such as Kingsoft or WPS and also Google Sheet. For mobile devices, you can also follow the formulas and steps that we are going to use in this tutorial. I have copied the slides from our video presentation, and we are going to answer the examples that was provided in the video presentation using Excel. So I just included here the slide so I can easily input the different values for a certain item. Let's have the first example. Given in the table below are the grades of two students competing for the first honor rank. Find their averages and decide on who should earn the first honor spot. So let's just encode the values that we have here. So we have the subjects. If you find it unnecessary to input the subjects individually, just like me, you can use codes. F for Filipino and SS for Social Studies. And then for the second column, I will input here the grades of student A. We have 94, 93, 95, 89, and 95. For student B, we have 96, 90, 97, 89, and 94. To get the average or the mean, you can actually put it on any cell that you wish to put your mean. So I chose the seventh row and second column for the average or mean of student A. Saglit lang naglalag na naman yung laptop ko. Oh my God, ayoko na mag-cut. So for here, all you have to do is to type equal and then type average. Okay, if you see the drop down menu here for the average, just double click it. Okay, and then just highlight all the subjects of student A, all the grade subjects of student A. And then you will generate the average, which is 93.2. There is another method. If you forgot the correct formula, you can always look it up on the formula tab, and then under AutoSum, you can see their average. Okay, for AutoSum, average, you don't have to highlight all of the data set for student B because it will generate it automatically. Just press enter and then you can get the average. Another thing is you can use more functions under the function library and then just look for average. Average, and then, just wait a moment. Again, just go to more functions, statistical, look for average, and then it will suggest you the values where it will take the average. So for example, from C2 to C6. So those are the values 96, 90, 97, 89, and 94. Just press OK and you will get the average for student B. Okay? Let's have another example. Huh? We have, in a study conducted to determine the number of pets currently owned by college students, the collected information is shown below. Ay, naglalag siya. Oh my God. Just go to the sheet where you want to perform your computation. So in here, I will start with row number 10 and just input the values that we have in our data set. So we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 6, 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 10. 1, 2, 1, 200. Sorry, this is 200. And then, just press AutoSum and then generate the average. Just press Enter. That is 15.47. Also, you can use equal average, double click it, and then highlight the first observation up to the last. You will end up with 15.47. So that's how you find the average or the mean. Now let's go to the next topic. We have median. So to get the median of a given data set, all you have to do, I will just copy this and paste it on this sheet. All you have to do is to input all the observations. Again, we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 6. I am inputting the data set vertically. 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 200. Yan. For the 15 samples. To get the median, just type in equal median. And then choose the first observation up to the last. So the median will be generated. That is the value 2. Also, you can use the formulas that we have under statistical. Again, it is under the function library. Just look up median. There it is. So for the median, just choose the observations from the first one up to the last. And then just press OK. So you will get the median 2. Okay? Oops, ba't ko binura? Ayan. Yun siya. Now let's go to... Oh, isa pa. The preliminary term grades in statistics of 20 students. Nakakatamad mag-type. We have 85, 98, 86, 75, 84. This time I'm inputting it horizontally. Mas madali pala siyang tingnan. And then 96, 90, 74, 90, 95, 92, 88, 98, 87, 98, 90, 78, 75, 98, and 81. Yan. We have 20 observations. Lagyan ko siya dito ng label sa tabi para hindi tayo malito. This is the row for our median. Yan. Gawin natin siyang red. So, just type in equal median open parenthesis, or pagka nag-generate na yung formula, just double-click it. Pwede naman yun. Halimbawa, nakita nyo na ganyan, nag-appear na si median. Double-click nyo lang siya. And then, pag nakita nyo na yung parenthesis, just choose the first observation up to the last. So, that is from cell D1 to D20. Then, press OK. Our median there is 89. Remember, nung nag-discuss tayo about the median, if you have an even number of observations, you will end up with two locations, K sub 1 and K sub 2. All you have to do is to locate the data point on those locations and then get their average. Earlier, nung naglagay tayo ng example for the median, mano-mano, I asked you to sort your data set first from lowest to highest o kaya highest to lowest. And then, locate the K sub 1 and K sub 2 locations. After that, get the average of those data points. Medyo matrabaho siya. So, kung marunong kayo ng automatic na pag-generate ng median, wala kayong masyadong magiging problema. Gamitin nyo lang yung mga mobile devices nyo at saka yung mga laptop nyo. Instantly, you can compute for the median. Now, let's go to another measure of central tendency. We have the mode. Pangalanan natin tong sheet na to ng mode. Gamitin natin yung same na observation from here. Parang ito rin yung ginamit natin dun sa PowerPoint dun sa video. Lagay ko lang dito. Insert ako ng isa pang. Ay, mali. Yan. Lagay ko dito yung label na mode. So, ito ay para sa row ng mode. Hindi ko to ginawa kanina dun sa mean Optional naman to. So, for the mode, all you have to do is to type in equal and then mode. Mode, single lang. So, single from first to the last. Ayan. And then you will get there 98. Meron tayong isang example pa. Ayan, yung most preferred alcoholic beverages, non-alcoholic beverages of 20 college students. Dito, ibang formula yung gagamitin nyo pag qualitative yung data. Type in natin para mas malinaw. Lagay natin dito ay milk tea, coffee, soda, yogurt. Yan. Tapos kasunod milk tea, tatlong milk tea, dalawang coffee, 5 soda, 2, 4, 5. 5 milk tea. Control C. Ayan, 20 students pala ulit yung kinuha natin dito. So, iba yung gagawin nyo pagdating dito, ha? Just highlight all the observations. And then, just go to insert. Tapos, dito, recommended pivot tables. Ayan. Magge-generate siya ng naka-group na frequency table. Just press OK. Ayan. Magge-generate siya ng panibagong sheet. Optional naman to. Ang pinindot ko kasi, insert pivot table sa bagong sheet. Pero pwede naman na same sheet, press lang kayo ng cell kung saan nyo siya gusto ilagay. Dito, sabi natin before, to get the mode, just look for the most frequently occurring observation. Parang kulang yung in-input ko na data. 19 lang to kasi may hindi ko pala nilagay yung row headers. Teka. Ito ay beverage. Ulitin natin. Burahin ko muna to. Delete. Dito nga pala ay may row headers. Delete. Ayan. Beverage. From beverage, first to the last, kasama yung column header, just press insert, recommended pivot tables. Tapos, ayan, mag-generate na yung count niya. Just press OK. Locate the highest frequency. The mode is milk tea because there are 9 respondents who answered milk tea as their most preferred beverage, non-alcoholic beverage. So that will be it for our discussion or for the tutorial on how to get instant values for the measures of central tendency using the Excel. Sorry kung medyo mababaw yung discussion ko for on how to generate those values. Since sabi ko nga, hindi naman ako IT teacher nyo, so dapat alam nyo na to from your computer subjects or IT subjects. I am just your statistics teacher. It is my job to tell you how to get those values. Pero hindi ko na trabaho kung paano kayo tuturuan ng technology. Kasi dapat alam nyo na to noon pa. Thank you for listening and I'll see you next time. Hopefully on Thursday. Hindi. On Tuesday next week. Thank you and bye!